Hi, I'm Kanu Priya, and I really enjoy facilitating workshops for mindset and leadership. And Lead from Your Core has been especially beautiful because this 2-day residential workshop has been interactive, full of games and activities that help you reflect. And the participants have really taken away so many things that we don't stop and take a pause to think about in our regular hectic lives. We've spoken in these 2 days about purpose, about values, about empathy for oneself and for others, about gratitude towards family, towards self, towards society, towards your workplaces, towards everything around you. And these things are going to hold all of us in good measure in the challenging times to come, where there's change, where there's transformational, where there's personal and professional struggle. Lead from your core is what is going to see you through. So I look forward to doing many more such workshops with the SecondAct.